you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint.
When I saw you, I
Leave me, dipping out on me. Already got what you needed, I got quickly. Learned yourself through me. Already gave you what you needed, I guess, yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me.
What's happening? What's popping? It's Lucky guys. Welcome back to Chula City. Today's video is like a mini life update and yeah, stuff like that. So let's get right into the video. So if you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Welcome to the city, and I hope you stay. If yeah, a Chula. I had to say I love you. So this video, I was supposed to make this video a long time ago, but I don't know, anxiety kept me, I don't know, I was like, what am I even going to talk about, what's going to happen, like what's this video about? So I spoke to a few people about it, and I decided to do like a mini life updates, like what's happening in my life right now, what I'm doing right now, how life is going. I've been MIA for some time, like I haven't spoken to you guys in a long time. First of all, I'd like to thank God for everything. Like God, that's man update. Chef's kiss. Wow, God is amazing. God has been there for me since day one. Like I could go on and on and on and on. It's been good. So far the year has been okay. Small wins here and there. God has been so gracious. God has been gracious to me this year alone. My business is going well by God's grace. Kinama Accessories. I sell beaded anklets, beaded necklaces, everything beaded, like beaded accessories. I'll link everything in the description box below so that if you want to patronize me, you can. I mean, I'm always here for you. But yeah, business has been going well by God's grace. Like God has. Another thing is great news. I used to play basketball in Christian High. That's my high school. Sorry, I'm touching my face, but it's hot. Ghana's hot. But yeah, I used to play basketball in Christian High. I was co-captain and sports prefect. So I have a passion for basketball. Like I have a passion for sports. But when I came to uni, I didn't have the opportunity to join the team or go for trials or anything because of COVID and all of that. So in level 300, I was on Snapchat and I saw my friends snap that they're having basketball trials for legal students. I was like, let me just try it. So I went and then I made the team and all of that. So I've been training, like this whole week has been training. I'm sure I put some videos in the silent vlog before. And it's been amazing. I play with amazing girls who can play so well. Like it's so good. But we are training for how do you call it? A league. We are playing a league on the 22nd of February, a day before my birthday. Can you imagine? But yeah, all blessings. So we are training for a league, and apparently we are playing with like people who have been playing for years, like years. So I'm kind of nervous, but God is in control as usual. But yeah, it's been great. Like basketball, I love basketball, so it has been great. So, another win. I'm so grateful to God for a new year. I know today is 4th February. I don't know when you see this video, because I mean shooting and all, but I'm sweating. Okay, so we bless God for a new year. Today is 4th February. I don't know when I'll edit this video and post it, but I wanted to do like a mini silent vlog plus a life updates sort of thing. So yeah. So thank God for a new year. So far so good. Like I've had ups and downs already, and it's just the second month of the year, but it's been good. Everything is calm by God's grace. Like God has been so gracious. Like I'm so happy. I don't want to jinx anything, but God has done so much for me. Since last year, all that I went through last year, I'm sorry I'm touching my face a lot, but I'm nervous. Like, I'm sorry guys, I'm a little bit nervous, but yeah. This year has been good so far. Comparing it to last year or the beginning of last year, this year has been amazing by God's grace. From the ending of last year to this year, God is doing so much for me, and I'm being more intentional with Him. Like I'm putting more effort into saving God. Like I'm living a life to please God, basically. So I don't know what I would have done without God. God has been my everything. Like He's always been there for me. I don't know how else to say it, but it's all good. It's all good. Right now the lecturers are on strike, so we are home. We haven't been to school ever since school supposedly reopened, but we're just at home. I've been having some group studies here and there because my course is hard. I need to keep up. Yeah. So I've been having group studies once in a while. Because of basketball, juggling basketball and studies is not easy because they are both very time consuming. So I try my best to watch videos concerning certain topics because I have my timetable, my everything, so I can just lay. So yeah, concerning the basketball, I train 4 hours every day from 4 to 8, so you can imagine how time consuming it is. But yeah, and also what else, I've been drinking more water. I'm trying to work on my skin. I don't know, I'm sweaty right now, but I hope you can see some improvements. But yeah, I've been working on myself. I'm trying to be a better person this year. I'm trying to be more intentional with everything. My life, my relationships, my family, whatever I do, I want to put in the effort. I want to do the best I can. I hope you guys understand. That's basically it. It's like I have future plans, but I can't say them yet because I mean they're future plans. I have to keep them to myself and pray towards them. But apart from that, everything so far is good by God's grace. Life is okay. There are ups and downs, like things are not 100%, but God is in control. So yeah, I just wanted to do like a mini updates and stuff like that. You see more vlogs. And guys, this year we are growing our channel. We are growing Trula City. We want to become a universe. So if you have any ideas, content ideas, stuff you want to see, check the description box. No, comment. What am I even saying? Comment what you want to see, content you want to see. I'd like to give a shout out to my friend Yasin. She's amazing. Like, she gave me the vim. How do I say? She pushed me. She pushed me to be more consistent with YouTube because I didn't think I was doing a good job, but she pushed me, she encouraged me, she has been giving me ideas, and I'm so grateful for it. Thank you, Yasin. So yeah, if you want to see any new stuff, if there's anything you want to see on this channel, any comments, just comments. I read all the comments and I will be more consistent. I'm trying to post every Wednesdays. Let me not even put days on this because anything can happen. So I'm trying to post twice a week or even 3 times a week, as many times as possible, just to grow this channel and to make this channel a bigger one. Oh god, that was so corny. Anyway, thank you so much for staying. To all my subscribers, thank you so much for staying. If you're new here, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I love you guys so much. This is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I've said this so many times, but like, subscribe, and comment. I love you guys so much. God bless you.